Did you know America celebrated a bombing raid while 250,000 people paid for it with their lives? In April 1942, 16 American bombers lifted off a carrier deck and struck Tokyo. It was impossible. It was electric. Back home, the country desperately needed a win, and Jimmy Doolittle had just handed them one. The crews bailed out over China. Local villagers and Chinese civilians helped them escape, hiding them, feeding them, guiding them to safety. Japan noticed. Within weeks, the Imperial Army swept through the Chinese provinces that had sheltered those airmen. The operation had a name. It was called the Seigo Operation, and the orders were brutal. Burn the villages, kill the people, leave nothing standing. An estimated 250,000 Chinese civilians died. They hadn't voted for the raid. They hadn't planned it. Many had simply offered food to a stranger in a flight suit who knocked on their door. The victory photographs showed smiling pilots. Nobody in those photographs ever had to answer for what came next.